Hello everyone, here's another video of a fan. It's been a while, but here we are back with some fan videos to come. First off, we're starting off with this email wall exhaust fan. It's a pretty neat unit. Don't mind that, I can't stop. Oi! I can't stop the dog from doing that, so sorry about that. But yeah, this thing runs really nicely. It actually does reverse as well, so I started off on the regular. What's this thing called? There we go. These are really handy fans to have. Look like a Malaysian exhaust fan. I'll pull it again. And that goes the other way. Now it's blowing it this way. And if pull it again, it'll turn off. And it shuts the louvers. Thank you for watching.